Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, after years, wow, tagal ko nang di nag-YouTube. So, wala lang, bigla ko lang naisip mag-YouTube ulit. Upload, ko lang bakit. Walang masabi. So, naisip ko lang. So, gusto ko ulit mag-YouTube. Wala lang, trip ko lang. Ang aking gagawin ngayon, oras na, ay 4:26 ng hapon. So, yun na guys, mag-aasikaso muna ako, and then diyan sama kayo sa gagawin ko today. Wala, dami ko chiko. So yun na, let's go. So wala, nalagpasan na Island Road. Saan na tayo papunta ngayon? Tiyan natin si Yuri.
Currently, we're going to Hawaii. I mean, we're currently at Hawaii. So we're having this experience participating one of the prestigious event, and I'm very excited though because I'm with my friend who also came from different countries.
Wow.
Especially this girl who's holding the camera. She's from Hanoi, Vietnam. And the other girl behind us is from Taiwan. Yeah.
Alright.
Shisha. Alright.
Alright.
So there we go. And yeah, the local girl over there is Moana from
Moana.
Yeah.
Local girl.
From this country.
Okay, we're here.
What about you? What do you expect from this?
From this vacation?
Yeah, from this
Actually, I just wanted to relax and nothing much.
So, na mag-work from home, sabihan ko na lang yung boss na may face-to-face contact sa...
Mga B, ang usapan, mag-island hopping, ba't naman may papilik pa? Poking ina, poking ina. Perfect, isa opak. Saan napunta mo, sis?
Ay, nag-video pa.
Ritualan natin to. Baklang malibog, mamaga ang butas ng iyong puwet.
Yung nakasila.
Hindi, ano yan?
Hindi na kasi pa yung kipay
Yung yan,
hobi.
Kung inom pa ko, laki ng itlog mo. Gago sila. Dito ba? Sa tubig ba?